Welcome to RK International Academy. This is our compiler design playlist. In this lecture, I will deep dive in compiler design. From this lecture, I will start parsing. So let's start our parsing. First we will see what is actually parsing and what we will cover in this chapter. In parsing, it is 90% of our compiler chapter is based on this parsing. But before that, we will just cover our some basic introductions. So here's the first. We have seen that first there is a code. That code will be go to in Lexical Analyzer, then Syntax Analyzer, then Semantic Analyzer, then Intermediate Code Generator, then Code Optimization, and then Target Code Generator. These are the levels through which we convert a high-level language code in a bytecode or exe file. In Lexical Analyzer, it breaks down the code into a Lexemes. Then comes in Syntax Analyzer. In Syntax Analyzer, it checks the syntax is right or wrong. Then comes in Semantic Analyzer, where it checks the meaning of the code, is that meaning is right or wrong. Then comes to Intermediate Code Generator, means assembly code. Here it's assembly. Intermediate Code Generator means assembly language. This is not a fully high level language nor fully byte code, means machine code. So in Intermediate Code Generator, it converts the code in assembly language. Then it comes to Code Optimization, where it converts the code in theoretically or mathematically in optimize that. Then comes in Target Code Generator, where it achieved our main goal, means bytecode. Now let's comes where is the parsing belong in Lexical Analyzer. In these steps, first we give the source code. That source code will go to Lexical Analyzer. What is the work of Lexical Analyzer? Work is to make Lexemes, This is his primary goal. This Lexeme will create tokens. This Lexemes means create tokens, which will go to parsing, and this parser will ask, before that this parser will ask to Lexical Analyzer to provide token. This Lexical Analyzer provide to token. Then it will come to at parser, and this parser will create symbol table. Symbol table means we have seen in grammar. Suppose there is a syntax, and this is, and A converts to this is a grammar, and this will be a syntax table, and also this symbol table and this is our, here we will create the parsing table. I hope you understand where is the parsing table is belong. Parser is belonging in our code. So there is a PYQ get question. We will also solve problems so you can understand clearly. This is a code. If x is greater than 1, then increment, else decrement. And it will now tell what is the in question. What is the number of token, and also create symbol table. In a problem we will solve two problems. Pause this video, you try, then check. So this code will first go to a lexical analyzer phase, and then it will create a symbol table. According to this code, I will write the symbol table.